Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Equifax account. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do, you need to go and open your browser here, and then once you open your browser, you need to go to Google and search engine, and here search for this one, Equifax, and then once you're here, you got this website, Equifax Credit Bureau, check your credit report and credit and so on. So click over here to open the website. And then once you're here on the website, you need to log in with your account. Just you're gonna click on login over here. And in my case, I don't have an account, so I will not gonna log in, but I'm gonna show you how to delete it. And once you log in the account, this page will be changed automatically to your account or your profile. And then here, instead of USA, you're gonna see an option for my account. You're just gonna click on it. You're gonna click here, and then you're gonna choose options to go to my account. And once you go to my account, you'll go down until you can see cancel subscription, and you're gonna click on it, and that's how you can cancel Equifax subscription. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.